Jason Statham, at 57, still looks like he could take on an entire army and leave them all gasping for air. But here's the shocking truth. It's not just his insane workout routine or crazy movie stunts that keep him in the prime of his life. What he doesn't eat is the key to his vitality and youthful energy. Yes, you heard that right. There's a list of 5 foods that Jason completely avoids. And trust me, when you hear these shocking truths, it will change the way you think about your diet forever. Stick around until the end of this video, and I guarantee you'll rethink every food you've been eating. It's time to learn the secret behind Jason's age-defying health. Jason Statham's secret to defying time at 57. If you look at Jason Statham, you wouldn't guess that he's 57 years old. In fact, if you didn't know his age, you'd think he was still in his 30s, ready to chase down bad guys, perform death-defying stunts, and flex those muscles on screen. The guy's strength, agility, and fitness have only gotten better with age. So how is it possible? What's his secret? Let me tell you. Statham isn't relying on fancy surgeries or some miracle product. The truth is, it all comes down to his lifestyle choices. And yes, his diet plays a huge part in this. In fact, you're about to hear exactly what foods he avoids and why. Trust me when I say these are not the foods you would expect someone like Jason to be dodging. Now, if you're thinking, oh, it's just his genes, you're dead wrong. Genetics might play a small role, but Jason's physical conditioning and mental discipline are the real culprits behind his insane, ageless physique. What Jason's doing is 100% achievable. You too can turn back the clock and feel as strong as ever if you learn his tricks. But it's not just about lifting heavy weights, it's about what you're feeding your body. And that's where Jason's secrets lie. Jason's fitness philosophy: push, push, and push some more. Before we dive into his food choices, let's first talk about Jason's fitness philosophy. Jason's routine is unlike anything most people follow. He doesn't just train like an actor, he trains like an athlete. In fact, his fitness mentality is rooted in constantly pushing his limits, mentally and physically. Statham believes that if you're not testing yourself, you're stagnating. He doesn't give himself cheat days. He prefers cheat months or feast and famine cycles depending on his training intensity or injury levels. Jason adapts his lifestyle to his body's needs, meaning he's never locked into a strict routine. But don't get it twisted. Even when he's taking it easy, it's not about slacking off. It's about fueling his body to keep up with his rigorous training regimen. So what's his day-to-day like? High-intensity workouts, 30 to 40-minute explosive, full-body routines with little rest in between. Short but intense, pushing his cardiovascular system to the max. Functional movements. Forget about isolating muscles like in bodybuilding. Jason's training is about real-life movement, lifting, sprinting, climbing, and fighting. This translates directly into his action-packed movie roles and keeps his body strong and agile. This type of fitness doesn't just work for Jason, it's a method that anyone can implement into their own lives. It's about consistency, variety, and pushing yourself to the edge every single day. The foods Jason Statham avoids to stay young. Now, here comes the shocking part. We all know diet plays a massive role in how we feel and look. But what exactly does Statham avoid to keep his youthful glow? The truth might surprise you. Refined sugars. Jason stays away from processed sugar, which might sound obvious but is often overlooked. Refined sugar triggers inflammation, causes energy crashes, and encourages fat storage. If you want to feel and look like an action hero, sugar is your enemy. Sugar messes with your body's ability to maintain consistent energy. It gives you a quick boost, followed by an inevitable crash. Jason avoids this cycle, ensuring his energy stays steady throughout the day. It's not just about looking good, it's about feeling great every day. Processed foods. Jason follows a simple rule: keep it clean, keep it whole. Processed foods are packed with chemicals and empty calories that offer little nutritional value. These foods disrupt your metabolism, drain your energy, and affect your hormone levels. By cutting them out, Jason makes sure his body is fueled with what it truly needs. Processed foods are convenient, but they come with consequences: slow digestion, poor metabolism, and an increased risk of chronic diseases. Staying away from them helps Jason perform at his best. Alcohol. Jason avoids alcohol, not just for his roles, but because it can affect sleep, lead to weight gain, and slow metabolism. Alcohol hinders his recovery and drains his energy. Staying hydrated with 3 litres of water daily helps him stay at peak performance. Drinking may seem like a way to unwind, but it disrupts sleep, throws off your hormone balance, and hinders muscle repair. To follow in Jason's footsteps, it's time to ditch the booze. Dairy. While not strictly dairy-free, Jason avoids dairy products that could slow him down. Dairy can cause inflammation and digestive issues, making it a poor choice for someone who needs optimal performance. He prefers alternatives that work better for his body. Dairy may have protein and calcium, but other nutrient sources don't cause inflammation or digestive discomfort. This is why Jason avoids dairy to maintain his edge. Fried foods. Jason says no to fried foods, which are high in unhealthy fats and can cause inflammation. These foods slow down recovery and contribute to weight gain. By avoiding fried foods, Jason ensures his body is performing at its peak and stays lean and agile. Fried foods can make you sluggish and cause long-term health problems. If you want to stay strong and healthy like Jason, it's time to cut them out of your diet. Statham's 6 meals. A day plan, Jason doesn't just eat healthy, he eats frequently to keep his metabolism running at full throttle. By eating 6 meals a day, every 2 to 3 hours, he ensures that his body is constantly fueled, aiding recovery and muscle growth. Here's a sneak peek into what he eats on a daily basis. Meal 1, breakfast, a 4-egg omelette with oats and seasonal fruits. This meal sets the tone for the day, packing in protein and carbs. Meal 2, mid-morning snack, a protein smoothie packed with nuts and a scoop of whey protein. This helps keep his energy up and muscles fed throughout the day. Meal 3, lunch, chicken breast, brown rice and steamed veggies. The perfect balance of lean protein, carbs and fibre to fuel his afternoon workouts. Meal 4, afternoon snack. A handful of almonds, walnuts, cashews and a banana. Healthy fats and carbs to keep his body running smoothly. Meal 5, dinner. Fish, lean beef or chicken with a salad and olive oil dressing. The perfect post-workout recovery meal loaded with protein and healthy fats. Meal 6, post-dinner snack. A small bowl of cottage cheese or Greek yogurt. This slow digesting protein ensures muscle repair throughout the night. By eating clean, whole foods every few hours, Jason's metabolism stays revved up, ensuring his body remains in fat-burning and muscle-building mode around the clock. His goal isn't just to look good, it's to feel good and maintain that energy and agility that make him a true action star. Jason's intense workout routine. Statham's workout isn't about looking good in the mirror, it's about practical, functional fitness that he uses in his action-packed career. His workouts are designed to keep him strong, agile, and ready for anything. Functional movements. Jason's workouts aren't about isolating muscle groups, they're about moving his body the way it's meant to move. These functional movements include combat training, kickboxing, jiu-jitsu, and other martial arts. These skills not only help him with his action scenes, but also keep him quick and reactive. Strength and endurance, sled pushes, kettlebell swings, Olympic lifts, and battle ropes. These exercises build the kind of strength and endurance that Jason needs for his films. Core strength. Every workout focuses on strengthening the core. This is crucial for maintaining balance, flexibility, and explosiveness. High-intensity interval training, HIIT. Jason's sessions are short, usually no more than 30 to 40 minutes. But don't be fooled. These are some of the most intense workouts you'll ever experience. Short bursts of extreme effort, followed by minimal rest, make sure his body is constantly burning fat and building muscle. Staying active, active recovery days. Even though Jason trains intensely, he doesn't overdo it. He has active recovery days to let his body rest and repair. Light jogging, swimming and hiking are his go-to activities for staying active without putting too much strain on his muscles. Active recovery helps him maintain mobility and keeps him from burning out. The 80-20 rule, training for performance, not vanity. Jason follows the 80-20 rule when it comes to his workouts. 80% of his training is focused on performance, building strength, agility and endurance. Only 20% is focused on aesthetics. This is why Jason never just chases the biggest lifts. Instead, he chases performance and efficiency. His body looks amazing as a side effect of training for strength and power, not vanity. So, there you have it. The shocking truth about how Jason Statham stays fit, healthy and strong well into his late 50s. It's not just his workouts or his genes, it's his diet. By avoiding processed foods, refined sugars, alcohol, dairy and fried foods, Jason keeps his body in peak condition. Couple that with his intense and functional workouts, and you've got the ultimate fitness formula. Want to look and feel like an action hero? Take a page from Jason's book, Clean, Whole Foods, Functional Fitness, and a dedication to pushing your limits. You can defy aging just like Statham.